Very easy ways to use apple cider vinegar for kidney stones. Kidney stones, or medically nephrolithiasis, are created within the kidney or urinary tract, due to a diminution in the urine volume or an increased amount of stone-forming substances in the urine. They are small hard deposits which consist of acid salts and minerals. Kidney stones induce unbearable pain, but they do not damage the body permanently. Yet, if not treated on time, this condition may lead to an obstruction of the urinary tract and complicate the condition even more. In some serious cases, they are removed by surgery from the urinary tract. Apple cider vinegar is an extremely beneficial ingredient which offers positive effects in numerous health conditions. Thus, it can efficiently cure kidney stones and help you avoid the harmful effects of drugs and painful surgeries. In fact, apple cider vinegar is the most effective remedy to use in the case of kidney stones and the treatment of the associated symptoms. Today, we will reveal the most prominent benefits and uses of apple cider vinegar, and we will explain the way it helps in the case of kidney stones. Namely, apple cider vinegar has advantageous effects in numerous cases, as it discards toxins. Apple cider vinegar helps in the elimination of harmful toxins from the body, and this efficiently prevents the reoccurrence of new stones in the kidneys. Stimulates the digestion process. Apple cider vinegar has an alkalizing effect, so its consumption helps the digestion, and stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid. This leads to a prevention of acid products in the body and the creation of new kidney stones. Breaks down the stone-forming tissues. The nature of apple cider vinegar is acidic, so it successfully dissolves the hard tissues which create the kidney stones. Therefore, the use of apple cider vinegar treats kidney stones and prevents their future formation. Dissolves kidney stones. Due to its acidic nature, apple cider vinegar breaks down the smaller stones and supports their way out through the urine. This is how to use this efficient natural ingredient in order to solve the problems related to kidney stones, apple cider vinegar and water. The least complex remedy in the case of apple cider vinegar is the combination of water and apple cider vinegar. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar, 8 ounces water. Instructions: add 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar in a glass of 8 ounces of water. Stir it well and drink it. During the time you consume this drink, you should also drink a lot of water, in order to flush out the toxins from your body. In order to remove kidney stones quickly and easily, consume this drink once a day. Afterwards, drink it 2 times a day, in order to prevent their reoccurrence. Apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, olive oil, and water. The acidic nature of lemon juice reduces the acidity in the urine, so it inhibits the creation of kidney stones. Moreover, it has strong antiseptic properties, so it successfully prevents the further development of bacteria in the kidneys. Furthermore, it detoxifies the body and offers hydration. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of organic olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 24 ounces of water. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the lemon juice and the olive oil. Consume this drink and afterwards, drink 12 ounces of water. After 30 minutes, add the squeezed juice of a half lemon to the rest of the water. Next, add the vinegar, stir well and consume it. In order to eliminate kidney stones, you should repeat this procedure on every half an hour. Apple cider vinegar, baking soda and water. When combined with baking soda, apple cider vinegar can extremely effectively treat kidney stones. Namely, baking soda eliminates the acid, which is the leading reason for the formation of kidney stones. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 glass of water. Instructions: in a glass of water, mix half a tablespoon of vinegar with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Stir well and drink the solution. In order to eliminate kidney stones, drink it twice a day. Apple cider vinegar and honey. Honey has strong antifungal and antibacterial action, so its combination with apple cider vinegar successfully treats kidney stones. Moreover, it also sweetens the drink. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Instructions: combine both ingredients and consume the mixture. Also, you can add it to a glass of water and drink it thus. In order to remove kidney stones, you should consume this natural remedy twice or 3 times daily. Apple cider vinegar, honey and baking soda. Ingredients: honey, 1 ounce apple cider vinegar, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda. Instructions: combine all ingredients and consume the mixture. Apple cider vinegar, coconut oil and water. Apart from its wide use for treating different issues with your skin and hair, coconut oil can also help you in the fight against kidney stones. Namely, the use of coconut oil successfully dissolves kidney stones. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 16 ounces warm water. Instructions: in a glass of warm water, add the coconut oil and the apple cider vinegar. Stir and consume the mixture until you feel an improvement. Apple cider vinegar poultice. Apple cider vinegar can be also used topically in order to alleviate pain caused by kidney stones. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of water, a washcloth. Instructions: combine both ingredients and heat them. Then, soak the cloth in it and apply it to the painful areas. Leave it to act until it is cool. In order to effectively relieve the pain, you should repeat this method twice or 3 times daily. Additional tips: in order to successfully fight against the formation of kidney stones, and avoid unwanted consequences, you need to follow the following tips. In order not to damage the tooth enamel or burn your mouth and throat, always dilute apple cider vinegar in water before use. It is recommended to mix them in ration 1:10. After the consumption of apple cider vinegar, rinse your mouth well. Always use raw, unpasteurized and extra virgin apple cider vinegar, as it is the most effective and absolutely pure. Apple cider vinegar should not be used in the case of gout, as it may intensify the pain. Yet, it is advisable to consult your doctor if you have any other disease, before you start an apple cider vinegar treatment. You must drink a lot of water during your apple cider vinegar, in order to provide proper body hydration, and to prevent the reoccurrence of the kidney stones. In order to avoid the reoccurrence of the kidney stones, you should not consume caffeinated drinks. Moreover, you can consume apple cider vinegar as your salads or as a condiment, and prevent the reoccurrence of kidney stones. Your diet should be rich in fiber, and low in fat and sodium. Use apple cider vinegar as an alternative treatment in the initial stages of kidney stones, or in the case they are too small and can be easily dissolved. In the case of a severe pain due to kidney stones, or if these natural remedies fail to provide results, you should consult your doctor and ask for future instructions.